Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English. I'm Mike.
And I'm Mix.
Today we are doing something special.
Yes, we will practice many real-life English conversations together.
These situations are very common in daily life.
So relax, listen carefully, and practice with us.
Have you ever arrived at a hotel and felt nervous speaking English?
Yes, especially when there are many people around.
Today we will show you a real hotel conversation. Hi, I have a reservation under the name Mike.
Welcome to our hotel. Can I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. Let me check your booking.
Okay,
Yes, I found it. You booked a room for tonight's.
that's correct.
Would you like a room with a city view or garden view?
City view sounds nice.
Perfect. Breakfast is included from 7 to a.m.
Great. Is the Wi-Fi free?
Yes, it is free in all rooms.
That's good because I need internet for work.
No problem. Here is your room key. Room 305.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay.
Nix, have you ever had a problem at a hotel?
Yes, one time my room card stopped working.
What did you do?
I went back to reception and said, "Excuse me, my key card is not working."
That's useful English.
Hi, what would you like to order?
I would like a cappuccino and a chocolate cake.
Small or large cappuccino?
Large, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Hello, may I speak to Alex?
Sorry, Alex is busy right now.
No problem. Can you tell him Mike called?
Of course. Do you want him to call you back?
Yes, please.
Tell me a little about yourself.
My name is Mike. And I enjoy learning new skills and working with people.
Why do you want this job?
Because I want to grow and gain experience.
What are your strengths?
I'm responsible and hardworking. Excuse me, how much is this jacket?
It's $40.
Do you have a larger size?
Yes, let me check.
Thank you.
Where would you like to go? Please take me to the airport. Sure, it will take about 20 minutes.
How much will it cost?
Around $15.
Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit here.
Thank you. I'm new here.
Nice to meet you. I'm Mix.
Nice to meet you too. Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Sure.
I'm learning English, so I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, your English is good.
Thank you, I'm trying my best.
Mike, do you translate every word in your head?
Sometimes, yes.
I think beginners should try to think in simple English.
Like saying, I'm hungry instead of translating from your language.
Exactly. Small thoughts every day help a lot.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I relax, watch movies, and sometimes study English.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I like listening to podcasts and going for walks. Today we practiced many real-life English conversations.
Keep practicing a little every day.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes help you improve.
Tell us which conversation was your favorite.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.